Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your Zoom account with Calendly. So you can make booking meetings or calls with you even easier and more professional. The integration is perfect for anyone who wants to automatically add Zoom links to their Calendly events, and they can save time and eliminating the need for manual copy pasting. The process is very simple and easy. You just have to be on the page of Calendly official site. Just search to the browser calendly.com and it will be redirected on this page. Maybe you are not logged in. This will be the interface for you. What you can do, you just log in or sign up with your email, or you can go up with this Google option. I'm doing this. It's more easier and simpler. It will automatically create a account for you. So as you can see, we are logged in to our Calendly account. So what you have to do, just go to the left panel and go for these integrations and apps and click on this. Now you will find some services or platform to integrate with this Calendly. So we are doing Zoom. So just click on this Zoom. Now you may go with this organization or personal. So I'm just only one instruction. So I'm going to this for myself, and it will be redirected on Zoom website. So what you have to do, just log in your Zoom account with the same email address and password. And also you can go with this Google, otherwise you can write your email address manually. And make sure you are logged in with your Zoom account. And let's create our account. Now again go back to Calendly and again click on this connect Zoom for personal or myself. It will authorize the Zoom with the Calendly. So here you can see, click on this allow. Now you can see your Zoom account is connected with the Calendly account. Now you can create an event and Zoom schedule with this Calendly. Just click here, and now if you share your Calendly schedule, the audience can see your Zoom meeting link, and you can automate the process by connecting your Zoom with the Calendly account. So this was the video. Basically, this is how you can connect your Zoom with Calendly. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.